മഴവിൽ കൊടിയിൽ മണിമേഘം പോലെ നീ. Yes, friends. Art and culture for prelims 2024. Why should you prepare art and culture quickly and effectively for the upcoming prelims examination? Because 2023 they asked around 9 questions from art and culture, different aspects of Buddhism, terminology, literary sources, different things. 2022 they asked 8 questions, 2021 8 questions, 2020 something around 11 questions asked from art and culture. An increasing trend in these terminology questions, literary sources questions, questions related to Buddhism, Jainism. Yes, of course, we will finish art and culture in just 12 hours. We'll cover art, architecture, literature part of this art and culture, and of course the current affairs, that is temple architecture, especially Ayodhya temple, or tangible, intangible cultural heritage of India. All those current affairs would be covered. One full test would be covered, and all this, like the major important portions of art and culture for UPSC examination would be covered very decently, very nicely. So you are welcome to the program Art and Culture Crash Course 2024.